Aloha, we're on the top of Kohala Mountains. Amber, what are we up to? What are we going to be doing here?
We're doing the famed waterfall hike.
The waterfall. Have you been on this hike before?
No, I haven't. Though the Benici brothers have taken everyone and their mother besides me, the wife. Today, that will be changed.
It's my birthday, so I said Amber has to come because it's my birthday.
It's your birthday!
Check out these views here. That's the view, and then we're gonna come over here and go into this jungle. This is the jungle. And here's the red gate. We're gonna go through this here, and then see what happens from there. Come check it out. All right, so we're headed into the rainforest here. They have the gate here. They do pig hunting back here, so we're gonna go in. Keeps the pigs away from the cows and stuff, I guess. I'm not exactly sure, but let's go check it out. What's up? Come on. Venturing. Kind of goes underneath and out and about, so we're gonna just go in and check it out and see what happens. Oh yeah. Oh, this is good. Very nice. Oh yeah, do you hear that? This is cool. I hear pigs. Okay. There. So we're gonna drop in right here. We're gonna drop in right here and go down and see what's going on. You can hear the water right now. Yeah. It sounds beautiful. Let's see what's going on.
All right, we're gonna have to do some teamwork here. Everybody help each other. It's very steep. Here we go.
Yeah, this is a nice flow today. This is our first waterfall we just dropped into here. Tony's going in to check it out. What do you think about this so far?
It's incredible.
Yeah.
I've never seen anything like this.
How about you? Are you enjoying this so far?
Wishing it was a little warmer. Other than that, I'm all down.
Nice brisk.
Yeah.
Let's do it. Okay, so Tony's over there checking it out. I'm gonna go over there and see how we're gonna get up that thing, and then I'll throw a rope down for everybody else. And I'll see you at that point. Alright, so I just climbed up here. Tony's down and getting ready to slide. Just threw the rope down. And get the three of them up there. This is just beautiful coming down right now. Alright. Let's get those guys. Let's see what happens. Alright, here we go.
In the house.
That was great. The ladies did fantastic. Climbed up there like champs.
Yeah. Coming back down. Looking down at the bottom.
Where we came from down there. First one. On to the next.
There easily ascends the waterfall.
Pull a rope down.
All right.
There. And then you get the middle all the way up there. Oh, that's good. Yeah.
Darren is conquering quick and easy. Look at that.
with the road. That one's probably right in the middle of the waterfall. That's hot. Woo! Yeah.
Straight up and down. Nice. All right, how was that, Mike?
Great, man.
Was all right?
Yeah. Doing more.
What's that, number 2?
So what's next, boys?
Next waterfall.
Let's check it out.
This is a double one. Look at that. One on each, one little one, one big one. You might have to choose which one we want to go up. You want to go up the little one then? Okay. Make your pick. You go up that one. Testing rope. Testing rope. Watch the test, Amber, so you know. Lean it back, lean it back. It's slippery. Lean it back. Find the foothold. You got it. No problem. Find the foothold, baby. There you go. There you go. Straight up. Knee straight up. Need another foot? Yeah. Lean on it. Lean on it. Lean on it. Lean on it. So you got good grip. Good grip. Yeah. Woo!
Good job, Amber. How'd that feel, Amber? Here comes Jaren. She loves to get wet anyways. She was swimming in the fountain over at the Orchid the other day. Nice! That happened so fast I couldn't even focus the camera. Way to go, Tony. Yeah. All right.